Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into the political drama unfolding in Zimbabwe. The ruling Zanu PF party is setting the stage for a major leadership transition as President Emerson Mnangagwa's time in office ticks down to 2028. So, what's the buzz all about? Well, the big news is that the ED 2030 slogan, which supported extending Mnangagwa's rule, has been thrown out the window. This shift came after a heated Harare provincial meeting where Vice President Chiwenga's allies openly challenged Mnangagwa's long-term leadership. Now let's rewind a bit. Mnangagwa came to power in 2017 after a coup, with significant support from Chiwenga. Fast forward to today, and the tables seem to be turning. Chiwenga's faction has gained momentum, and it looks like they've successfully paved the way for a leadership change slated for 2027. Munyaradzi Machacha, the National Commissar, confirmed this shift, stating that a new leader will be selected in 2027. This is a significant win for Chiwenga's camp, highlighting his growing influence within the party. With the 2027 elections not too far off, the political landscape in Zimbabwe is heating up. But wait, there's more. There's also talk about Mnangagwa engaging in secret deals with opposition figures to extend his rule beyond the 2028 constitutional limit. This controversial strategy involves delaying parliamentary elections to keep current MPs in their seats. It's a move aimed at reinforcing Mnangagwa's legitimacy and Zanu PF's dominance despite their waning popularity. However, this plan might face resistance from Zanu PF hardliners and could potentially weaken the opposition, particularly the Citizens Coalition for Change, or CC. The CCC has been struggling with internal divisions ever since leader Nelson Chamisa's resignation, making them vulnerable to such political maneuvering. On the flip side, Mnangagwa recently made headlines by rejecting a Zanu PF resolution to extend his tenure beyond the two-term limit dictated by the 2013 constitution. Announced during the party's annual People's Conference in Bulawayo, Mnangagwa emphasized his commitment to constitutionalism and the rule of law, stating he has no desire to remain in office past 2028. This decision is seen as a victory for Chiwenga's faction, which opposed the 2030 Mnangagwa will still be in office slogan. However, Mnangagwa's refusal to stay in power beyond his constitutional term has injected uncertainty into Zanu PF's succession plans. So what does all this mean for Zimbabwe's future? The internal power struggle within Zanu PF and the evolving dynamics between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga's factions are setting the stage for a potentially dramatic shift in Zimbabwe's political landscape. As the 2027 elections approach, the contest between these factions will be a key factor to watch. It's a crucial time for Zimbabwe, and the decisions made now will undoubtedly shape the country's democratic trajectory and political stability. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on this and other global political stories. See you next time.